Welcome to our guide on replacing the digital control panel for your Portacool cooler. Whether you're working with the PAC A12001A1, PAC A20001A1, PAC A40001A1, or PAC A65001A1 model, we've got you covered. Before we begin, safety first. Make sure to move your Portacool to a safe work environment with plenty of space all around. And don't forget to disconnect it from both electrical and water supplies. Now let's get started with the tools you'll need. Locate the digital display on the front of the cooler. Unscrew the 4 screws securing the digital control panel to the outside of the Portacool housing using 1/4 socket and carefully slide the digital control panel out. Next up, we'll remove the media flap from the back of the cooler, located at the top. Using a 5/16 socket, unscrew the media flap screws and carefully remove the media flap and distribution media. Once you remove the media flap, carefully remove each block of the media blocks, including the distribution media shown in the diagram. With the media removed, the back of the control panel is now accessible. Take note of the carefully routed wires. They've been bundled and tied to the controls with zip ties, forming a drip loop path to prevent moisture from causing any damage. Carefully cut the 1x zip tie and unscrew the digital control panel from the outside of the Portacool cooler using a 1/4 socket. Now, it's time to disconnect the power cable, motor, pump, and LLI connectors from the control panel. Once the control panel is free, slide it out gently and position the replacement panel in its place. Secure the new control panel with the provided screws and attach all the connectors securely to the right connectors as outlined in the diagram. Now, it's time to tidy up those wires. Bundle them together and fasten them to the controls using a zip tie, making sure to replicate the drip loop path for added protection. With everything in place, reassemble the main media, distribution media, and media flap. Secure the digital display by reattaching it using the 4 screws you previously removed, and ensure to delicately tighten each screw. Finally, reconnect your Portacool to a power source and verify its functionality to ensure everything is working smoothly. And there you have it! With these simple steps, you can replace the control panel on your Portacool with ease, keeping it running at its best for years to come. Thanks for watching, and stay cool with Portacool.